So this is a PrimeBook laptop that you see in my hands, and this has some special features. It's not just a normal laptop, it's beyond that. And to tell me all about it, I have Chitranshu Mahant, who's the founder and CEO of PrimeBook. Welcome to the show.
Thank you.
So what's so special about it? If you could tell us all features about it, and who the target audience of it,
Sure.
what's new in it, and how do we get the updates, everything about it.
Sure. So basically, when we started this company, our thesis was very simple. Firstly, that computing devices are going to become very critical for students. So we thought, what is the right computing device for them? Because all of their apps are Android first. So all the education apps, the apps that students love, are all on Android. And a better hardware for them is a laptop, not a smartphone or tablet. So we thought, let us build the best of both worlds for them, and we introduced this new category, which is an Android laptop called PrimeBook. So the best feature is that these are not traditional laptops based on Windows operating system. This is a new category laptop based on Android operating system. So you can access millions of Android applications, like you have Gmail. So let me quickly open it for you. So all the applications are Android based. So even Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Gmail, WhatsApp, YouTube, all the usual suspects are there, but these are Android applications. So it opens a new world of opportunities for students to access this application in a laptop form factor. That's one feature. Think of us like, Apple kind of a company where we own the hardware stack, which you see the PrimeBook hardware, which is all made in India, designed by Vividian, our manufacturing partner. Then we have our operating system that has been designed by, so I am a IIT Delhi graduate, my co-founders are also from IIT Delhi. So we designed this operating system in-house. And then we have our own inbuilt software stack. So when I say inbuilt software stack, you have the App Store. This is our own App Store. Just like you have Google Play Store, you have Android, iOS App Store, we have our own App Store.
Okay.
We have our own browser.
Okay.
And we have our own file manager.
Okay.
I'll have to connect it to the internet.
That's okay. You can carry on.
Yeah. So these are basically our inbuilt apps. Now, this is the innovation we bring to students. Firstly, they get affordable laptop, they get Android apps, and they get many education apps which are inbuilt into the operating system.
So if you talk about models, what are the models that are available? How are they priced?
Right. So we have 4 models right now, and they are priced between 13,000 to 16,000. They are available on Flipkart, Amazon, our website, all of them.
Also, like you told, when you have a knowledge that it also enables a SIM inside a laptop.
Yes.
What is the what is the purpose for that? If you
Sure. Internet, we all know, brings in the universe of knowledge for students. And what we realize in India, the Wi-Fi penetration is less than 5%. So to enable these students and equipping them with a complete device, there was a need for a SIM in the laptops. So the student can get access to internet wherever they want. And they can also do calling, although it's not the main use case, but they can do normal calling also from this laptop.
That's interesting. So that was all about the PrimeBook. Thanks for taking to us.
Yes, thank you.
Of course, like he told you, that this is value for money and very good for students if they want to buy, because it has everything that's for use for them and within the budget. And the best part is this is all made in India, make in India.